Welcome to IP Author. Let's check out some of the features today, the claim modifications. There are two ways of doing claim modifications. Edit the claims directly in the window that's shown, where you can just use the window as if you're using a Word document. Let's say you want to add a new claim. You just start typing the new claim or modify any words that are already existing in the claim. The second option is to ask IP Author to make the changes for you. You can use the prompt option on your right. You can use this prompt option to generate various types of changes, such as not limited to replace or rewrite claim elements, add or remove dependent claims, or merge claims, modify claim scope, add different types of claims like a CRM claim, system claim, or method claim, and many more. Let's take an example. Let's pick this claim and see how we can modify it to a two-part claim. So on your right, you see many prompts that I did that represents how I can have it change the claim for me. So let's ask it to change for two-part claim. You just say, I want a two-part claim in your own language, and then try to define what a two-part claim is just in case, and then ask it to generate. It gives you the two-part claim as an output. So it understands that the two-part claim is associated with the independent claim and makes the change across all independent claims. So as you saw, that's IP Author Claim Spotlight. Try out all the other ways of modifying claims. Get back to us if you have any feedback. Have fun drafting.